The rivers of India. India is blessed with hundreds of large and small rivers which drain the length and breadth of the country. Rivers constitute the most useful natural resource. They are a great source of water for irrigation, industry, domestic utilities, and for producing hydroelectricity. Depending upon the origin of rivers, two broad drainage systems of India are generally recognized as the Himalayan rivers, including the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and their tributaries, and the peninsular rivers such as Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Tapi, the Narmada, and the Kaveri. Let us now study about the Himalayan rivers. The Indus River. The Indus originates near the Mansarovar Lake from the glaciers of the Kailash range in western Tibet. It flows in the northwest direction in the Trans-Himalaya region and continues to flow between Ladakh and Zanskar ranges. The Indus system of rivers comprises of the Indus and its five main left bank tributaries, that are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj, which combine into one river near Mithankot in Pakistan and finally drains into the Arabian Sea. The Ganga. The Ganga originates at the Gangotri Glacier. Its left bank tributaries are Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Chambal, Betwa, and Son. The Ganges flows along with its right bank tributaries, that are Pindar, Mandakini, Doli Ganga, Bishen Ganga, and finally Alaknanda, which joins it at Devprayag. It then reaches Haridwar, debouching from the hills and enters the plains. From here, it flows in south and southeast direction for a distance of 770 kilometers to reach Allahabad. The Ganga is called as Padma when it enters Bangladesh. It meets the Jamuna and retains its name, but finally meets Meghna near Chandpur and adopts the name Meghna before draining in the Bay of Bengal. The Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra rises in the great Chema Yungdung Glacier in the Kailas range of the Himalayas. It flows eastwards in southern Tibet for about 1800 kilometers and then turns south and southwest near Namcha Barwa. It enters India, west of Sadia town in Arunachal Pradesh, where it receives the Dibang and the Lohit. Its left bank tributaries are Redak, Subansiri, Belsiri, Manas, Champaman, Gangadhar, Raida, Dharla, and Tista. Its right bank tributaries are Dibru, Burhi Dihing, Noa Dihing, Dikhu, and Kalang rivers, and drains in the Bay of Bengal. Now, let us study about the peninsular rivers in brief. The Mahanadi. The Mahanadi originates in the Dandakaranya range in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh. Its tributaries on the left bank are Sionat, Hasto, and Mand, and on the right bank are Ong, Tel River, and Jonk River. From its source, the river takes a northeasterly course. Beyond Seori Narayan, it flows eastwards and enters Orissa and finally empties itself into Bay of Bengal. The Godavari. The Godavari originates in the Trimbak Plateau near Nasik in Maharashtra. Its right bank tributary is Manjara, and the left bank tributaries are Purn, Vardha, Pranhita, Venganga, and Penganga rivers. Originating in the Western Ghats, it flows eastwards across the Deccan Plateau between the states of Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. It then crosses Andhra Pradesh and turns to flow in a southeast direction. It finally drains into Bay of Bengal. The Krishna. The Krishna rises from a spring near Mahabaleshwar in the Western Ghats. It is joined by its left bank tributaries such as Koyna, Ghat Prabha, and Bhima, and the right bank tributaries include Musi, Paliru, Panchganga, and Tungabhadra rivers. Flowing through Maharashtra and Karnataka, it finally enters Andhra Pradesh and drains into Bay of Bengal. The Kaveri. It originates in the Brahmagiri range of Western Ghats. Its left bank tributaries are the Harangi, Hemavati, Simsa, Arkavati, and Lokpavani, and the right bank tributaries include Lakshman Tirtha, the Kabani, Suvarnavati, Bhavani, and Amravati. Flowing from Tal Kaveri in Madikeri district of Karnataka, it passes through south interior Karnataka and enters southern Tamil Nadu. It drains in the Bay of Bengal, passing through Nagapattinam district. The Narmada. The Narmada originates on the western banks of the Amarkantak Plateau. Rising from the Amarkantak hill in Madhya Pradesh, it moves along the Mandi hill towards the Satpura range before reaching Jabalpur and passing through the Marble Rocks. It is joined by the left bank tributaries such as Burner, Banjar, Shar, Shakar, and Tawa rivers, and the right bank tributaries include Hiran, Orsang, Barna, and the Kolar rivers. It enters the Narmada Valley between the Vindhyas and Satpura ranges and pursues a westerly course. It flows through the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat before draining into the Arabian Sea. The Tapi. The Tapi originates in the sacred tank of Multai on the Satpura Plateau in Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. Its main tributaries on the left bank are Khursi, Kapra, Khokri, Utauli, Vaghur, and Amravati, and on the right bank are Purna, Betul, Patki, Ganjal, Dhatranj, Bokar, Bokar. It then flows westwards flowing through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and southern Gujarat. It finally drains into the Arabian Sea. Brought to you by Compete India's Jeeto Bharat, a one-stop internet-based interactive coaching for civil services exams. For more information, log on to www.jeetobharat.com.